How to send BNB from ByBit to TrustWallet. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to send BNB from ByBit to TrustWallet. So first thing first, just head over to any of your App Store, Play Store and make sure you have successfully installed the TrustWallet as well as your ByBit application. And once you do all of that, just head over to your TrustWallet and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And now simply select the asset from the bottom right corner of your screen. So once you're inside here, just select this withdraw button from the middle of your screen. And at the top of the search bar, you can simply search in for BNB. So simply search in for BNB and just locate this BNB Binance coin and just tap on that. So once you tap on that, here you should see different types of withdrawing options such as internal transfer and on-chain. So just choose on-chain because it is easy to use with wallet address, and you can just enter your wallet address, network as well as amount from over here. So for now, just head over to your ByBit application and make sure you're currently logged into your account and just click on search bar. And again, simply search in for BNB and just select the option that is BNB Smart Chain. And just tap on receive and just copy the address from over here. And simply paste it back to your on-chain transaction over here with the network as well as withdraw button. And once you successfully fill out all of these details, just click on withdraw button to actually send the BNB from ByBit to TrustWallet. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.